Keep an eye out. I'm pretty sure they said the sand wolves should be right around this area. Got it? You ready?
Always ready. Too ready, Kay.
Would it be too much to ask for you to not be a smartass today?
Sorry, I'm afraid it's just part of the package now.
Wow, that's great. How lucky for me, am I right?
This heat is the worst. My boobs are all sweaty.
But you don't even have boobs to begin with.
That tells me a lot about you. The truth is, only those who are pure of heart can see my perfect breasts.
If he could keep his mouth shut, you might actually believe he was a gorgeous girl. But he's a dude.
Why do you keep staring at me like that?
Sorry, it's nothing. We should be focusing on the job.
Sandwolves, huh? As far as monsters go, they can be a fairly dangerous breed. In a pack, they're downright ferocious. And I've even heard stories that they've managed to attack and destroy entire cities.
Yeah, but on the other hand, as long as there aren't a whole lot of them, they're easily handled. So there's no real reason to be worried.
Mikan?
Shh, be quiet. You hear that? Those mongrels are hiding nearby. Change of plans! There's no way I'm fighting those things!
Yeah, I'd never be able to take on that many at once. I mean, I've always been petite. There's not enough of me!
Wait, are we talking about something else now? Ugh! Stop talking and run faster!
I think I'm gonna take a break and smoke for a bit. Why don't you get changed while I do?
You really just want to sneak a peek. I know you do. You're desperate to get a look at my butt. Running away? You're only leaving because you know I'm right.
I've really got to build up my skill points somehow. But it's just like Infinity Game, you earn them by fighting. Guess I need to make that happen.
Sir? Look, over there!
Well, looks like I've got my chance. What the hell? How many are there? And why are they training them straight toward us?
Are they crazy? Get away from here!
It's all up to you, fancy old man! Can't stop to bury you!
I can't believe these guys. It's like they want to get eaten. Well, no worries. I can handle this. I'm like 98% positive. My barrier will protect me. I'm fine. I'll be fine. I'm gonna be fine, right?
You weak fools. Explain to me the reason. You're running from such pathetic beasts.
What's up? Is there anything we should be worried about?
It'll be fine. Just stay in the coach. So you guys dare to bare your fangs at me, do you? You may be beasts, but I'm not gonna hold back. Now, prepare yourselves. You're about to breathe your last breath in my hands. First skill, assault! Your foul, wretched eyes don't even deserve to behold me. Second skill, sand blind! No one escapes the Demon Lord! Third skill, thunderclap! Looks like my work is done. Thanks, you didn't even make me break a sweat. Now, get!
Hey!
Next time, be a little more careful not to get others involved. So long. Yeah!
That the demon lord we've heard about?
He's very refined. Feeling a little warm downstairs.
He's a dangerous person, you know?
It's true, he's dangerous. Dangerous to my chastity, that is, you know what I mean.
We need to get to the capital.
Oh good, if we're going to the capital, I can get a makeover.